everybody! Today we are going to use water to explore something called sink and float. And we explored this a little bit in the classroom when we had talked about apples and do apples sink, do apples float. And today I just took a walk around my house and I collected some things. I found a seashell, a styrofoam block, a little doll, a rock, and a Lego. So I'm kind of going to test out with my big water bowl, do these things sink or do they float, and why? So I think the first thing I'm going to try out is maybe this doll. I wonder, does she sink or does she float? I'm holding her and she feels kind of light. She's not heavy like this rock or this seashell. She's kind of light. So I'm going to put her in the bowl and see what happens. Does she sink or does she float? Oh, what happened? She's at the bottom. So that means she sank. She doesn't float. All right, let's try something else out. Ready? Ooh, let's try this rock. Does this rock sink or does it float? It's kind of heavy. It feels a little heavy. Okay, what do you think? Let's find out. Ooh, did you hear that? That sank right to the bottom. It sinks. So a big, heavy rock will sink. Let's try the Lego. Do you think the Lego will sink or will it float? What do you think? Oh, let's see. Do you see it? It didn't sink to the bottom. It's floating at the top. So floating means it is staying at the top. Good job. All right. I've got one more thing to experiment with. Ready? This is like a little styrofoam shape. What do you think? Do you think it will sink or will it float? Here we go. Oh, it's like a little boat at the top, just kind of floating on top of the water. Our styrofoam shape is floating at the top. So of all these different things, it looks like I'll make two different piles. So I have these two sank, these two floated. Oh, we didn't try our seashell. What do you think? Sink or float? Let's put it in. Wow, that was heavy. You heard that big bang at the bottom of the bowl, right? It sank. So I'm going to take it out and put it, do I put it here or do I put it here? Here. You're right. It sank at the bottom. So I have two groups of things that sank and things that floated. So today you get to walk around your house and just get a big pile of things and a big bowl of water and you can just play around. What sinks, what floats? But I have a question for you and I want to hear in your video. Why do you think some things sink and some things float? I look forward to hearing your answers. Bye. Have fun.